What's the deal? So today we doing Bondiving Cafe located in Dearborn, Michigan inside a Sheba restaurant. I remember last time I thought I walked into an ethnic wedding. Well, I guess this time I'm back for the reception. They don't go too crazy with the sugar, so you ain't gotta worry about drinking your calories for the day. But they need to change their name to Usain Bolt Cafe the way they giving Starbucks a run for their money. You ain't finding no grande pistachio latte them ways, I promise you. Then let's get into these classy ass refreshers they brought me out in martini glasses. Damn near thought I was sipping wine in the robe at my cougar house. My favorite had to be this dragon fruit joint though. Drinking it out this glass kept me classily hydrated. They had brought out more cakes than my favorite dancers, but my favorite had to be this Biscoff cake. The texture was softer than the big dude on the football team that's scared to get hit. I damn near thought I was biting into a sweet cloud, but they ain't overly sweet, so you ain't gonna leave here with a 500 blood sugar. They even served the tea that Kermit the Frog was sipping when he was minding his business.